When I run, I fall down all the time. I am so tired and don't feel good. I want a car. We will help you. We will take you to go exercise. We will make you stop. Are you ready to go exercise with us? Yeah, if you are ready.
คุณพ่อแม่เคดีแสดงความน่ารักจับจงให้ได้
Girls, are you ready? Boys, are you ready? Everybody, are you ready?